Apple just wrapped up their WWDC 2022 and there were all of the beta releases for iOS, watchOS, macOS and iPadOS and all that stuff. And today I'm going to show you what's new in iOS 16 as I've already installed the iOS 16 developer beta on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. So first up, Apple has brought some major changes to the lock screen. Now we have a lot of customizations in lock screen and some new wallpapers as well. So this is my main home screen which I have set up with widgets. Here I have customized widgets. You just need to hold and go to customize to add widgets. Here you can see a lot of widgets such as battery, stocks, weather and all that widgets. Then you also do have option to change the fonts of time. As you can see here, you can play around with the fonts. There are a total of 6 fonts and you can also change the colors of all of the content showing on this lock screen. It means you have fully customizable lock screen this time. And let me delete this one because I'm going to show you all of these lock screens from scratch. Okay, so let's add a new lock screen. Here are all of these new customizations for lock screen. So first of all, let's try people. Just go to gallery and add a clear portrait where a person is looking straight towards the camera. So let me find a portrait and here we go. This is photo of me and you can see that time has just gone behind me. So this looks really nice. You can even zoom in or out according to your choice and press done when you are ready to go to add this as your lock screen or home screen. We had also seen this feature in watchOS 8 where you can add any portrait and it gives this kind of look. As you can see here on my watch, I have already added this one and looks really cool. Next we have photos and shuffle photos. You can set a couple of your favorite photos to be slide shown as wallpaper. Then we have emojis. Now this is the most amazing one. You just go to keyboard and select 6 of your favorite emojis and here you go. Looks really nice, isn't it? You can also swipe to see some other views of emojis. The last one is really good looking as it feels like an illusion and gives really amazing look to your lock screen. You also have option to change the background colors with opacity of colors as well. So with iOS 16, Apple has also changed the way notifications were managed. Now they can be seen at the bottom side instead of center of display, making more space for widgets. And I really liked this thing. Then we have weather screen lock. This is really interesting one as you get the weather situation on your wallpaper. In short, the wallpaper depends on live weather situation. As you can see, it is night over here. So it is showing stars and the blue sky, which is clearly representing the clean weather and night outside. Last one is this astronomy thing where you get some earth and moon photos, and that was all about lock screens. Now let's go inside the phone and see what is new in there. One more thing, on lock screen you might have seen that iPads have ability to be unlocked by Face ID even when they are tilted in direction. Same goes now for iOS 16 as well, but this is limited to only iPhone 13 series. You can now unlock the phone if you're holding the phone in this position as well. I'm doing this test on iPhone 13 Pro Max and here on my 12 Pro Max it was unable to unlock it. I just had to move it a little straight, then it unlocked the phone. So that was really disappointing thing that Apple just included this feature in iPhone 13 series. Next upgrade is in Imessage app. Now we have options to edit the sended messages. As you can see here, I am sending a message and then I'm gonna edit it. But it will be labeled as edited. I can now also undo the sent messages just like we have seen in Messenger and Instagram already. Okay, so next feature is haptics in keyboard. You can go to sounds and haptics in settings and scroll down, go to keyboard feedback and turn haptics on. You will feel now haptics while typing through Apple keyboard. This only applies to Apple keyboard, not any third-party keyboards. This time Apple has added AirPods Pro settings right in front of settings, so you just don't need to go to Bluetooth and then into the AirPods. You can now easily access AirPods settings and check battery from here, which is really nice. Moving towards next feature Apple included in iOS 16 is passwords in Wi-Fi. Now you are able to see the password of connected Wi-Fi, which is actually a great step because if any of your friend is having Android, so now he can easily connect to Wi-Fi because iPhones doesn't share Wi-Fi passwords with Androids as it do with iPhones or other Apple devices. Moving towards gallery, then here are some major changes. You can now select objects from photos. As you can see here, I am selecting myself from this photo, leaving the background behind, and it looks really accurate. Not 100% but really great, and I can easily use it anywhere, like to send as a message to someone or to add it in notes. Apple also added a glowing line effect around the objects. You just need to hold it twice and here you go. This looks fantastic. Improving the security in gallery, Apple has added the Face ID option in recently deleted and hidden photos albums. You just need to scan your Face ID to access them. Now in Mail app of Apple, we now have the option to schedule the emails just like we do in Gmail. Looks like Apple just realized this recently that people also do need the schedule email option. So that's all for iOS 16. I really loved these new iOS 16 features, especially the new lock screens. This was developer beta variant of iOS 16. It do have some minor bugs. If you can go with them, then you can install it and have a taste of it. Let me know your thoughts on this. Stay tuned by subscribing to the channel and I'll see you in the next one.